Now, let's assemble a one-of-a-kind tree. You're gonna eat all apples.
Yeah.
We need some apples for our tree.
No.
Crunch, crunch, crunch. So, 1, 2, 3, create your unique tree. 2 apples. What else? Flowers. Leaves.
Leave.
Leaves, yeah, green leaves and yellow leaves. Rowan berries. Say rowan berries. These are rowan berries. Berries.
This is my unique tree. Berries.
How many berries?
3.
3 berries. Yeah, well,
2 apples.
where are your apples?
These.
Yeah, these are your apples. What else do you have in your tree?
4 green leaves.
Say there are.
There.
Oops, say I drop it. I need to pick it up.
Yes.